Hello. How about that ride in? You guys might not know this, but I consider myself the one-man wolf pack. When Doug introduced me to you guys, I thought, wait a second, could it be? I just added 2 more guys to my wolf pack.
Oh! Who was that guy? He was so mean.
Don't you remember anything?
No.
It's funny because he's fat.
4 of us wolves, looking for strippers and cocaine.
No more bumps, Chow. I lost the tooth. I married a whore.
How dare you? She's a nice lady.
Oh.
Classic Stu. I can't even tell you what we've been through. It's funny in any language. Because we made a pact. More important than blood.
What the fuck is going on?
What I can tell you is this.
Oh, jeez.
Man, he still got it.
Hey, Phil, look. He's jacking his little weenus.
I must resign from the wolf pack.
I'll always remember the last words he said to me. I'm proud of you, Alan. Never change. Well, I heard you loud and clear, Daddy. I will never change. Never, ever.
You got the wrong guys.
No, I got the right fucking guys.
Hey, that's Black Doug.
Shut the fuck up with that.
Why is Black Doug kidnapping us?
I said don't call me that shit.
Just Doug,
Yeah.
okay?
It ain't Alan's fault.
Thank you, Black Doug.
Oh, motherfucker. Motherfucker.
So what are you doing down here?
You know, fucking, doing blow. Ooh, I got into cockfighting. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Oh, stay still. I'm trying to help.
What the fuck is wrong with those chickens?
They're angry. All I feed them is cocaine and chicken.
I told myself I would never come back.
Don't worry. It all ends tonight.
Suck it, bitches.
Oh,
Shit. Should have thought this through.
Chow!
I can't feel my nuts. Would you rub them and make sure they're okay?
You introduced a virus into my life. Mr. Leslieju Chowu.
God, what does he do?
He fucked me in the ass.
Oh, he does that from time to time.
Not literally.